I'm Joe Blizzard. I'm a STEM teacher at Roper Mountain Science Center, and I want to share a very special challenge with you today. Before we get to the challenge though, I want to talk to you about an artist who lived from 1883 to 1970 named Rube Goldberg. He was a cartoonist, and he would draw these complex machines to do simple tasks. And since then, we've developed this idea of a Rube Goldberg machine where people make devices that's a series of different steps, complicated steps to do a simple task. And me and my family made one yesterday. My son's made this, a little machine to put ice into a cup. And you'll see that it's got a lot of steps. So let's look at that really quick, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the challenge.
Did it work?
Ice cube. So, as you saw in the video, was the car going down the track, and a series of things happened. It knocked some things down, and then the ice fell in the cup. So it was a complicated set of steps that led to the simple task of putting ice in a cup. A little bit more about a Rube Goldberg machine is that each step leads to the next step, leads to the next step, and then you use all these steps to accomplish one task. And so, a step is just one thing that by itself could just be like dominoes falling. That's one event. And then the dominoes falling might lead to maybe a car going down a track. And then another step could be something like some kind of flat platform with a ball on it being knocked out of the way so the ball can fall into a cup. And each step is individual, but they're all connected to each other to make some smaller task happen, so some simple task happen. So we make it complex by adding all of these steps together, and that is how we get to developing a Rube Goldberg machine, a Rube Goldberg device. We want you to make a Rube Goldberg device that does one task. It puts a ball in some kind of cup. It can be any size ball, any size cup, as long as the ball fits into the cup. That's fine. And you want it to go through a series of steps. And our challenge is that you have at least 5 steps for it to move through before the ball falls into the cup. And we made one, me and my family, we made one, and we want to show it to you. And it's an example. You don't have to do anything that we did with ours. You can make yours work however you want, as long as you have 5 steps. And if you really want to be fancy, you can do way more steps than that. Alright, so let's see the video really quick, and then we'll talk one more time about the challenge and how you can share it with us. We really want to see what you come up with. And that was our example of one that me and my family made. Now we want you to make one, and we want to see them. We've come up with a way for you to share it with us, and that's through social media. So if you could get your family, someone in your family to film it, and someone that can put it on social media, put it on there, and then use hashtag Roper Mountain, all one word, and then hashtag Rube Goldberg, all one word. And then we'll be able to look at it and see and really see what's going on, because we miss teaching you all and having our events and just doing stuff with students and families and letting you see some of the awesome things that we can show you and see you get to do them. So we want to see it. So please share that with us so we can take a look and see the awesome things you're doing from home. All right, we can't wait to see what you come up with. All right, talk to you later. Bye.